Have you ever stopped to consider the fascinating idea of dimensions? What are they exactly, and how do they influence our comprehension of the world? Dimensions are essentially a way to count spatial characteristics, or usually represented by numbers. Our topic for today is focused on the four primary dimensions: 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension, and 3 dimension. We'll start our exploration with 0 dimension, often denoted as 0D. This dimension is simply a point, the most basic element in geometry. A point has no length, no width, and no height. It's merely a position, which is why we refer to it as 0 dimension. Now let's move to the next dimension, 1 dimension or 1D. This dimension is synonymous with a line which has length but lacks width and height. Visualize a metal ruler or a long straight road. These are real-life examples of one-dimensional objects. In one-dimensional space, movement can only happen along the direction of the line. Next in line is 2 dimension or 2D. This dimension represents a plane, which has length and width, but no height. A piece of paper or a square, for instance, are two-dimensional. In a two-dimensional space, movements can be made on a plane, including left, right, up, or down. Finally, the exploration arrives at 3 dimension or 3D. It represents a three-dimensional space that has length, width, and height. A box, a three-dimensional shape, or even the physical space that we inhabit are all examples of three-dimensional entities. In a three-dimensional space, movements can be made in various directions, including forward, backward, left, right, up, or down. In summary, 0 dimension represents a point, 1 dimension signifies a line, 2 dimension denotes a plane, and 3 dimension symbolizes a three-dimensional space. These concepts form the bedrock of our understanding and exploration of the world we inhabit. Remember, the concept of dimensions isn't just a fascinating mathematical concept. It's a key that unlocks a deeper understanding of the space we live in and the universe beyond. It's a journey from the simplest point to the complexity of the physical world, and it's a journey well worth taking.